Alright, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How have you been? I just want to appreciate you all for the faith you've kept in us and for following up on our daily exercise, the workout, and all of that. Yeah, I know of a truth. We have not used sophisticated equipment or using beautiful backgrounds and all of that. But remember the first time I came to you, I actually told you guys that what we want to do is we're doing this from the comfort of our home. We do not intend to do anything that expensive or try to make people less confident of what they can actually do with what's available. That's one of the goals that we'll be able to achieve. Do that workout at your backyard, irrespective. You do not need to paint the wall, you don't need to put wardrobe, you don't need to put any form of painting or designs or make it look, no, just go out there. The focus is to work on this body, to work on yourself, to bring out the best in you, to sculpt out good shape out of yourself. That's the goal of this whole fitness journey. It's 2 weeks already. Yeah, we are not where we want to be, but we've been able to grow some significant measures. We've been able to achieve some significant growth. Yeah, you can look at me. If you can refresh back to the first video I uploaded when I was discussing about what we actually tend to do, you will see that greatly of a truth there's improvement. You can look at my body, you can see that it's not out, that's the shaping is not really that visible yet, but you can actually see that there's a difference if you can actually go back to the first video we recorded. And what is it? Consistency is key. Do not be discouraged. Yeah, you feel a lot of pain, you feel a lot of discouragement. People will criticize what you're doing, your environment, your background, and all that. Just keep going. Just keep going. That will not stop you, because the more every day you step out to do this workout, trust me, a new thing comes out. A new, as in a new energy, a new vibe comes out of you. One kind of there's a kind of spark that comes out of you that gives you that needed encouragement. So I advise everybody, please do not give up. We are going somewhere. You're gonna like it. Then also we also need to watch out on our habits. Yes, for this result to come out very fast, you actually need to work on your habits, your sleeping habit, your feeding, your diet, your water level, and all of that. You understand? You need to maintain good hours of sleep. Identify your timing. Like me, my best time to sleep is at afternoons. I sleep best in the afternoon. I enjoy sleeping in the afternoon. That's my best time. So if you want to really see me sleep, it's in the afternoon when I don't have anything doing. Even if I have something doing, once that sleep comes, I drop it and I zoom off. I zoom off. 2 hours, 3 hours straight. I'm out. I rest my head. I get up. I continue whatever I do. I walk more at night. Yeah, I walk more at night. Then also, do not also my body is not your body. Yeah, what works best for me cannot be same time. So identify your strength, identify what works for you, and go for it. So you do not have to do it how I do mine. Here I sleep more in the afternoon and I walk more at night. Then also, even as that, I still try to at least give myself some sleep at night. Sometimes I walk till almost 3 a.m. Sometimes up to 4. Then around 3, I just try at 3, whatever I'm doing, I shut down, I go to bed, I sleep, and I wake up maybe by 6, 7. I still have to get that 3 to 4 hours sleep. So that when I wake up in the next morning, I'll not break down. So you need to watch out. Then also your diet. Now you have to stop late night foods. Yeah, late night food is not good. Late night foods will increase your obesity, which is not good. So you need to work on your late night food. Do not eat late night food. Make sure your dinner 4, 5, 6, 6:30 max. Take your dinner and feel like. And if towards in the evening you're feeling like you're hungry, so don't go for something heavy again. Look for something light, fruit. Just just ensure you have fruit at home. So in case you feel like eating something, feel like chewing something, go for fruit. These are light options that can still keep your body. Then also need to look out for your hydration level. You need to stay hydrated always. You need to stay on water. Then also I want to advise you, stay away from carbonated drinks. Stay away from carbonated drinks. It's not good for you. instead of what is it called? Instead of beer, alcohol, and the rest, go for water. Water is the best. Then if you must take something sweet, if you must take something sweet, I advise you go for smoothie. Go for fruits, go for smoothie, get this fruit, blend them, drink them. They will help you. They give you a lot of energy, vitamins, they help you a lot. You understand? So stay away from carbonated drinks, stay away from beer, stay away from alcohol, do more of water, do more of fruit. It's gonna help you. Then I know some of you might be asking, okay, hey, what's up? The other time you showed us your body, so how far is it gone? Okay, I'll be proud to show this to you. We are not where we ought to be, but you can see, look at it very well. So you see there's growth, you see there's a change. You can see that something is going on in here, something is going on here compared to what I showed to you before. You can see this has greatly reduced, and trust me, the next time I'll be recording, you're going to see much difference. So you see the growth is gradual. You understand? The growth is gradual. So let us not get discouraged. Let's work hard. Let's be consistent. Let's watch what we eat. Let's take water. Let's try to get a lot of rest. Sleep whenever you can. Sleep. Try and sleep. You need it. Yeah, you need it. So this is my encouragement for you. Please, whatever you're watching from, put it in the comment section. Whatever advice, whatever question you wish to, whatever it is, anything you're not clear about and you want to get more knowledge, you can ask in the comment section. I'll be there to take questions. Then also, please do not forget to like, comment, and share. Like, you help us grow. You understand? Let us try to reach out to a lot of people, because there are a lot of people who are out there who they have this zeal, but lack of encouragement, nobody to encourage them. So please endeavor to help share this video so I can reach out to everybody, so that they can get encouraged, so they can join us. Then also, my YouTube name is Laughter Prophet. You can search Laughter Prophet. You add me up on YouTube. Then on Instagram, Laughter Prophet 1. Laughter Prophet 1, you'll see me there. On Facebook, Laughter Prophet, you'll see me there. On TikTok, Laughter Prophet. So search me, add me up, share my page to your friends and family. Let's encourage ourselves. Then also, when you are recording, do not forget, when you add me up on any of my social media, draw my attention so I can follow you back, so we can keep tabs on each other. Then also, whenever you record a video, endeavor to tag me. So let's try to encourage ourselves. Thank you very much. Peace and love. Let's grow together. I'm charged up. So guys, let's go. Let's get it done. Let's go. Thank you. Peace.